Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Redpoll bird in Heartopia. So you will find this bird in any weather, all day, every day. You will find this bird in Spirit Oak Pine Forest, and here's kind of where it is on the map. And I just kind of looked around and I found one on a tree, but obviously the place will be very random. It did take me a while to find it, but this is what the bird looks like. So just scan it, and yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can also find this bird like on the grass as well. It's not going to always be on trees, I guess. But if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!